Oppo has launched two new 5G phones under Reno series in India called Oppo Reno 8 and Reno 8 Pro. Both of these devices looks quite similar but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro is a higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 93.4% screen-to-body ratio. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset, paired with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor, plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 112° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also includes MARI Silicon X NPU for ultra-clear image processing. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with Sony IMX709 sensor. The device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery with 80W superbook fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with ultra-conductive liquid cooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.2 by 74.2 by 7.34mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno 8 Pro has been priced in India at 45,999 Indian rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in glazed black and glazed green color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.